Hi guys, ever came across this problem called access forbidden in XAMPP using Mac specifically? Maybe sometimes in Windows, but Windows actually have encountered very less. But in Mac, you might find this problem occurring more commonly, access forbidden. That's because every time you jump into your htdocs, you create a project, it actually does not allow you to create and access this folder because it's installed in something called application folder. So the project is actually installed in your application folder and it creates a problem. It does not allow you to do that. So how to solve this access forbidden issue in your XAMPP? So if you have your project XAMPP installed in applications folder, basically it's a restricted access. And when you create your own custom folder, Mac actually prevents it from using it or accessing the files inside this project. That's why you commonly get this access forbidden error. To solve it very quickly, you just come inside your Mac, make sure you are in htdocs, or if you are in your XAMPP files, if you still can access it, go inside applications, you would find XAMPP folder here, htdocs is here. This is main project. So basically you need to get click and then get info on this. Okay, so you can right click in the folder and get info, or you can, if you go back inside your XAMPP files, htdocs folder, right click and click get info. Once you are in info, you would find that it has this a custom, what we call access controls. Okay, so these access controls are actually quite important, these ones here. So in my case, I've already set them to read and write, but if you get this error, that basically means that you have access limitation here for everyone or for your admin. So first thing is you click on this icon here, this one here, this small lock. So click on this lock to unlock the settings. It will ask you for username and password. Once you give your password, you will find that it is now unlocked. So once this is unlocked, make sure you right click on this or just simply click and then change it to read and write access for everyone and as well as for admin read and write access. By default, I believe it's only read only, or some, that's why it's basically not allowing to change any content. So make sure you set it to read and write, then click on this padlock again to lock the settings. That's it. That's all you need to do. Once you do that and you come back to your code, you basically will find that if I run this code again, it runs basically. Now if I refresh it, my project is running, it's showing me all these files, and no more I get the access control link. Okay, that's it, simple as that. 2 seconds step. So make sure you just unlock the or give it access. So instead get info, again just change the settings to read and write. If you cannot change it, make sure you click on the padlock icon to unlock it. To read more about it, kindly come and visit my blog, codewithdrzishanbhatti.com. You have this blog address. I will leave the link in the description, and I have put down the step-by-step instructions of how to solve XAMPP problems on this blog as well. So go check it out. You hopefully should solve the problem. This is Dr. Shan signing off.